You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that has indeed a very confusing spelling. It makes the pronunciation really confusing, but it's actually easy once you know. And no, this is not the country. It is pronounced as Catarrh. If you want to learn how to pronounce the country name that has a similar sounding name, make sure to stay tuned. This is an excessive discharge or buildup of mucus in the nose or throat. Catarrh, tar, English pronunciation, catarrh, stress on the second syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.